Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna put this Milani lip gloss thingy that I love so much. This one is in raspberry, I think. Oh yeah, raspberry peach lip oil. I love how this moisturizes your face. I mean your lips. If you're new to my channel, my name is Alma and welcome to my channel. And here I love to create different makeup looks. So here we go. Today I wanted to play with this palette by MAC. This one is called, it's the MAC Art Library. It's Designer. That's what this one is called. And no, I don't have anything on my face right now, so you're gonna see the beginning to the end. Okay. Yeah, it's for you, baby. I'm gonna prime with this Wet n Wild primer.
Mommy.
Yes, baby. It broke. It broke.
Take it.
Here, look. There. Thank you. Okay, I pulled my hair back so it won't get in the way. And now I look weird. Okay, so done with the primer. And I'm gonna go in with this. It's my favorite foundation, and it's Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless. I'm gonna blend this through with my e.l.f. Complexion Duo brush. I love this brush. It's my favorite to blend all my foundation. If you hear noises, it's obviously Lily. We just took down the Christmas tree today, finally, and she's playing with the box. Now I'm gonna get my concealer by Wet n Wild. It's called Incognito. This is the only one I have right now. My other one is finished and I gotta go get more. So I'm gonna put this on my lids, and I'm gonna put, I don't know if you can see there's redness here. Put that there. You know what, might as well do the under eye a little bit. And I'm gonna get this one by Real Techniques and blend it all in. Now I'm gonna set all this foundation and concealer with my Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC. Okay. And then want to say I'm doing this off camera, but it's so windy and it's raining and it's pouring. It's really coming down today, you guys, and it feels good to be home with my little mammoths. But yeah, wow. Okay, eyebrows done. My favorite part. Let's move in with the shadows, shall we? Okay, this is what we're working with. I already know what I want to do. I want to use these bright colors, the yellow, the green, these right here. So let's go in. Let's just do this. Let's see what comes out. All right. Don't judge me. I know I need to wash my brushes. I will get to it. So I'm taking out my blending brushes. I'm like, which one? This one. Okay, so this is the Eco Tools Define Crease Brush, and I'm gonna go in with the hot pink. Let's go in. Hot pink. Why? Because I'm thinking bright. I'm thinking Valentine's Day, maybe. Maybe this could be a Valentine's Day look. We'll see. We'll see what happens. In the meantime, I hope everybody's having a great weekend or week, even though it's raining outside. I hope everyone got what they wanted for Christmas. Yeah. I mean, I know Christmas was a long time ago, but still, I just wanted to say that. Wow. There we go, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna get a tissue, wipe off some of that color from that I used, the pink one. And damn, you know what? I'm gonna get a different brush. I'm gonna get a different brush, and this one's gonna be a little bit smaller. This one's by Real Techniques, and it's this one right here, the fluffy little Define Crease Brush, Essential Crease Brush. And I'm gonna get that purple, and I'm gonna use it on the outer V. We just make a little circular motion there, and then we like work it up and blend it in with our pink. Like this. I think it looks pretty already. Now I'm gonna get this smudge brush by e.l.f. and I'm gonna get that purple again on my brush, and I'm gonna do that on the bottom lash line. Just line it up down there. Okay, so now I'm gonna get the lime green. Yeah, the lime green. With my flat shadow brush. This one is by MAC. One day I'll find a flat shadow brush from the drugstore that works really well. Here's Lily being a toddler. Okay, it should look like this. And now I'm gonna go in with the yellow here. And I'm gonna get my little smudge brush. This one's by Real Techniques. And I'm gonna place that yellow on the bottom part. Hopefully you can see it. Okay, you know what I decided to do? I'm gonna get this gold here and place it on the center. You can't really see the yellow that I put there, but it's there. Just to brighten it up in the center of the eye. Like this. Okay, I placed my lashes, and these are Ruffle by Kiss. They look like this. Okay, so since I already did the bottom and I don't have any fallout or anything like that, I'm gonna move on and do contour. I'm gonna use my favorite e.l.f. palette here for my contour and my angled brush by Eco Tools, and start here. Didn't grab that much. then I am going to get my little contour brush. Where is it? Here it is. It's by Real Techniques. And it looks like this. And this is just to do a little bit on my nose. I know, I probably still sound a little sick. It's going away. I've been blowing my nose. Yeah, it's been intense with this cold. Alright, let's do the brush. I mean the blush. Today I'm gonna use, let's do the Citron Rose by NYX Sweet Cheeks. It looks like this. And I'm gonna get this angled blush brush and stamp it right there on the apples of my cheeks, all the way to my temple, connecting with the contour. I swear these, a little goes a long way. You just, you know, I don't know if you noticed on my other videos, when I place it, it's like intense at the beginning, and it's like I have to go really light. I have to remind myself that a little goes a long way with these. I love these blushes. They're awesome. And this one gives you like this beautiful glow. Okay, so I got a couple of colors here, but I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild. This one is called Berry Recognize. Let's try another one. This one is by NYX. It's called Warm Up, and this is how it looks. No. This is too blah. Man, that wind is loud. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Okay, there it is. This is the Fix Plus by MAC. I should pull out my NYX one. I know I have another one. And there it is, you guys. I decided to go with the red lipstick. The one I went for is the Cloud Pout Marshmallow Lip Mousse. This one is by Wet n Wild. This one is called Don't Sugarcoat It. I love this one. I love these colors. This brand creates really cute lip stuff. So there it is. I hope you like my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. And those of you who are new, just tuning in, thank you so much for watching my channel, my video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Thank you so much. Have a great week.